Hello dear fans. How to determine the humidity of the air. As a rule, the relative humidity of the air, measured as a percentage, is of practical importance. It shows the ratio of water vapor in the air to its maximum possible amount at a given temperature. Devices called psychrometers are used to determine humidity. Necessary: 2 mercury thermometers, cotton wool, water. Instructions. Step 1. The principle of operation of the simplest psychrometer makes it easy to determine the humidity of the air without special devices. Take a regular mercury thermometer, make sure it is dry, and measure the air temperature. Then take some cotton wool, soak it in water and wrap around the tip of the thermometer. The value of the thermometer will begin to drop, because water will evaporate from the surface of the cotton wool and take heat away from the thermometer. When the fall stops, read the thermometer again. The difference between dry and wet bulb readings depends on how much vapor is already in the air, in other words, on humidity. The lower the humidity, the higher this difference will be. Difference values for different dry bulb temperatures are available in a special psychrometric table, which can be easily found on the internet. Determine the humidity values from it. Step 2. If you need to know the humidity value constantly, in a similar way it is easy to make your own simplest psychrometer and use it to determine the air humidity at any time. Take 2 thermometers and clip them next to each other. Place a bath of water under one of them, in which place the cotton wool so that it gets wet and constantly touches the tip of the thermometer. 2 thermometers will show different values. According to the difference in readings using the table, you will determine the value of the relative humidity of the air. Thanks for watching.